Let's go see Max. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Where's Max? Man, what's going on? Hey, Maxwell.
Something's falling out of the sky.
Man, what's this frozen precipitation? How come you kids aren't in school?
When it snows in South Louisiana, we can't do anything. Gotta stay home.
Tell me what you think. This is the first snow you've ever seen in your life.
I can't believe it. This is just a dream. I want to eat some snow. I'm kind of eating the little myself.
Tell me how it tastes, Ray.
Really cold. It tastes like
Carol?
gross water. Like
Gross water.
gross water.
In the house.
He's flying around.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. This is how we do it in South Louisiana.
Dave said it would continue till 9. I think he's wrong.
Dave Baker.
That
My
Dave Baker.
favorite meteorologist
Yeah.
would make something up like that.
No. You never know down here.
A long time ago, back in the 80s. You remember we had some real bad freezes? And I went out in the swamp in the springtime, and all the nutria rats had lost their tails.
What?
Think about it. All those naked tails from the nutria rats have been hanging in that cold water for 3 or 4 days, and they just froze off. And so all these nutria rats are running around with little stubs.
Let's see what Daddy's got going now. Oh man, he's gonna make a giant snowman from this. Giant. Sure is. Oh. Uh-oh. Watch out, Daddy. Oh. Oh.
You too, Ray?
Yes!
You too?
I've been waiting.
I thought you were my friend. There are no friends in snowball wars. You need ears, nose, eyes, arms, and a hat.
Easy, South Louisiana.
Have y'all seen the pictures of Houston?
That looks like bread. Ducky!
Okay, all three of y'all, feeding call.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, the neighbors in the front, I don't know if the ducks, what about the ducks? They want some so bad in there.
Whoa. You went diving.
Oh, I was out here last night getting the mail, and that nutria was out here, and it saw me, and man, he went down like a beaver, like splash.
There's Dan.
Let me get this straight. So the only time we ever come out and visit is during inclement weather.
That's pretty much it.
When it
Flood.
floods, we come out. When it snows, we come out. Oh,
Up at some point, maybe we'll see.
Uh-oh.
Whenever there's a window.
look
we'll
at
do it.
that.
Them are props for the jump out of this box, too.
Do they want more, Carol?
More what?
More ducks.
She hasn't. You can tell it melting on the grass already, though. It's like, it seems like it was
If it'd be
not as much as it was.
If it'd be tomorrow morning, it would feel like the
Yeah. I don't know, it's weird.
If Zoe and Kayla were out here right now, what would they do?
They try to retrieve.
Oh,
They
gosh.
would retrieve.
Hey, Clay, that could be some.
Diane would not.
That could be one of those
okay.
tragic Christmas videos, you know. Everybody's out Well, everybody's enjoying this peaceful moment.
Feathers would be fun.
All of a sudden, Doug leaves
Oh, they've got a dog over there coming.
and grabs him.
Look, Daddy.
That's some cold water, huh?
I thought that her sister had brought a chocolate lab.
Bear was like, I got her in.